Logic tablet getting a charging port repair, you know? Yeah, man. So we'll get the charging port changed. It's a Type-C charging port. So you all stay tuned and watch, you know? Yeah, man. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel also, right? Yeah, man. So gonna get down to it, you know? Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Alright, so there have take apart the back cover from the tablet now. So I'm gonna unscrew the circuit board, remove all screw from the circuit board, so I can remove the circuit board for charging port changes. Alright. This is the micro C port, the Type-C port from the Logic tablet. Alright, so today I'm gonna install a micro port towards it, as you can see. Alright, yeah, it's gonna be a convert, you know. Yeah, convert micro to a Type-C, and it will work. So you all stay tuned and see what's going on, you know. Yeah, man. So let's take a look and see what go on, you know. Yeah, man. So about now I'm gonna apply some soldering flux on the charging port. Apply some flux on the charging port, then gonna apply heat now using the soldering station, so I can get the charging port removed from the board. Alright, charging port has removed successfully. Alright, so I'm gonna pause and go again. Apply alcohol to clean surface. This will be the charging port that's gonna be installed, right? Yeah, man. Okay, so I remove a few foot from the charging port leg, alright, in case of grounds or such, you know. So I only have live and grounds, no data connection towards it, live and grounds. So, yeah, so I'm gonna that's what this look like. Alright, I'm gonna wire the leg. That's how the charging port will be looking up. Yeah man, that's how it's look. And I wire the charging port leg, alright? So gonna convert it now to the micro port, to the type C port, alright? Yeah man. So that's where I'm gonna connect. Alright. Right. So here we have the live over here and the grounds here, end to end. So on the type C it's have 2 live, 2 grounds, and I could take it from these connector here, actually from the board, these 4 dots. Alright, so I'm gonna get started now for charging port installment. Alright, so as you can see now, the micro charging port has installed now. Install, and you can see where the connection are or what it look like. Alright, yeah man. So I'm gonna put them together now and go for a test to see that the device is charging. So you can see that the device is charging. Alright, yeah man. I'll go for a test so you can see that the device charge. Alright, yeah man. Alright, so circuit board has been installed. So before I put the tablet together, I have to test it to see if it's charging. Alright, yeah man. So I have to test the tablet to see if it's charging. So I'm gonna insert the charger. The charger plugged in. I'm gonna look on this. Alright, there it go, you know. Yeah man, just popped up, so there it go now. Device is charging, you know. Yeah man, so you can see the device is charging. Alright, there you go, you know. So please like and follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, yeah man. So I'm about to go now and install the back cover on the tablet. Alright, yeah man. So you all, thanks for watching. Alright, so there you go, increase 1%. Alright, so thanks for watching once more. Alright, I'm out.